Hello students and welcome back to our online classes. So today we are going to do some work in our cursive workbook. Okay, so open page number 14. This is the page which we are going to do. Okay, so first of all write here your name. Then tick on this green square and here you will have to write date. Okay. So in our previous video we have learned how to write capital M to P in cursive, okay, and today we will learn how to write capital Q to U in cursive, okay. So let's start. First here you can see capital Q. First we will trace this dotted Q, okay. So let's start. Q for queen, right here. First we will draw one oval like this, then we will leave it like this, and here we have to draw one wave like this, okay. Again first oval, then wave like this, okay. Here also one oval, then wave, okay. Here also one oval, then wave, one oval, then wave, okay. So write this Q like this here also. Then next is R for rose, okay. First we will trace this dotted R. Start from this dot, move downwards, then upwards, then touch with this red line, then draw one left open curve, and then turn and leave it like this, okay. Here also first move downwards, then upwards, then left open curve, then turn and leave it like this, okay. Here also draw this R like this, okay. All the students, down, up, curve, turn and leave it like this, okay. So do this page in the same manner, okay. Now done this line. Now come to the next is S, okay. So how we will write this S? First we will move upwards, then turn, then little bit curve, then one more curve, then turn like this, okay. Here also move upwards, then a small curve, right open, then left open curve, then leave it like this, okay. Here also you all have to write like this, okay. Move upwards, then turn, then curves, then turn, okay. Here also you all have to write like this. Now come to the next is T for tiger. It is very easy. Start from here, draw one wave like this, then move downwards and turn, okay. Here also one wave, then down, then turn, one wave, then down, then turn, wave, down and turn, wave, down and turn, okay. Here also wave, down and turn, wave, down and turn, wave, down and turn. So this is capital T in cursive. Now last one is capital U in cursive. First we will move upwards, then we will draw one curve like this, okay. Then we will move downwards and leave it like this, okay. Here also move upwards, then draw one curve, okay, then leave it like this. So draw this U like this, okay. All the students, like this. So do this page in the same manner and do this page as a homework. It is page number 15, okay. All the students, so write here also date. First write your name, then tick on this red square. Here you all have to write date and do this page as homework, okay. All the students, thank you students, bye bye.